Hey guys, and I'm here today with a brand new inner fender flares. The front fits the 2018 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler JL and also fits the 2019 to 2022 Jeep Gladiator JT, but the rear fits 2018 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler JL only. It is for the JL and JT owner that is looking for a high quality aftermarket replacement to swap up that factory inner fender flare and spruce up their Jeep nice. With our inner fender flares, you are going to get a lot more functionality and outstanding look. It is a great option to go into. Our inner fender flare can be installed by an individual. This is very easy to install, and we have the installation manual with the product, and this video will help you with the installation of the inner fender flare. So let's go! The tools you will need for the instruction include ratchets, 10mm socket, and 4mm 5mm Allen wrench. Our newest front inner fender flares is mainly suitable for two types of shocks. One is the ordinary single shock or nitrogen shock, and the other is the 3.1, 3.3, 3.5 series shock under TerraFlex Vulcan. Note that they are linked with different buffers respectively. See, the front inner fender flares is behind the components near the engine. Cause when you go off-road, there's a lot of gravel splash up. It is really easy to destroy the original inner fender flares. It is very necessary to install these inner fender flares. Okay, here we go. You better divide it into three main parts to install. The first is to install the front inner fender flares, which in the wheel fender position with M6 bolts, spring washer, flat washer through the inner fender flares and car sheet metal. Then connect and tighten by using M6 flat nuts and bolts with hand. The driver side requires 2 M6 bolts, while the passenger side requires only 1 M6 bolt. Please note, do not use tools to tighten at this step, in case you need to adjust position later. Next is to install the Lockage block of inner fender flares. Expect using 2 M8 bolts, spring washer, flat washer. M8 tabs need to be tapped before installation for the instruction of the beam. The other positions are with M6 bolt, spring washer, flat washer. Please pay attention about that the upper right corner of the largest block with the other one which just installed. The splice connection need to add a small additional Barket. Note, do not use tool to tighten at this step, in case you need to adjust position later. The last thing is to install the small block depend on your Jeep shock type. Remember that the single shock or nitrogen shock is installed with a slightly larger buffer. Using M6 bolt, spring washer, flat washer to tighten the 4 mounting positions respectively. 3.1, 3.3, 3.5 series shock of TerraFlex Vulcan is installed with a smaller block using M6 bolt, spring washer, flat washer to tighten the 2 mounting positions on the side respectively. Last but not least, tighten all bolts and nuts. Now we have the front inner fender flares on, and it is all tightened up And remember, install the front fender flare back on the Jeep. For more videos and products like this, please check out our online store. Now we are going to install the rear inner fender flares. We need to connect the rear fender flares first. Little tips: connect the rear fender flares by using M6 shorter bolts, the front and the side of the plate respectively, with M6 spring washer, flat washer connection, M6 fork nuts. Tighten by hand is fine. Note: do not use tool to tighten at this step, in case you need to adjust position later. Next, we install the whole connected rear inner fender flare on your Jeep. The 3 mounting holes of the car edge with M6 spring washer, flat washer go through and connect the car edge and rear fender flare. After the installation of the inner fender flare, if you do not need to make other adjustments, you can tighten each bolt and each splice. Tighten each bolt and make sure the lower left corner of the rear inner fender flare has not topped out. If so, please push the rear inner fender flare as shown in this video, that the entire installation of the rear inner fender flare is complete. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos and products like this, please check out our online store.